Well, after puppet jibe by the opposition, Congress is attacking President Murmu once again. What's the purpose of the president's speech is the question the Congress party is asking. President Murmu doesn't speak her own mind. Why bar president's personal opinion is the question that the Congress party is asking. Our National Affairs Editor Rahul Srivastav continues to be with us. Rahul, this has been a common refrain of the Congress ever since it's been in the opposition. But how about, answering this question when they were in power during UPA 1 and UPA 2? At that point in time, these weren't issues that were raised by the party.
First day and first sitting of the newly elected Lok Sabha, then there is an address in Parliament, and the second is the first day of the first session of the year. So this is not a convention or a tradition. So if the Congress is challenged of the government, instead of talking about the kind of challenges the nation faces, and it is virtually now that the opposition, the Congress and others, NDA government led by Narendra Modi is that it is a stable government backed by two clear mandates by the public. So if you talk about, say, the initial part when the president talked about policy paralysis prior to 2014, how the government has become decisive, how it has been fighting for the poor, is stopping people from taking on terror battles as far as the LOC and LAC are concerned. In all that, one finds that there is a mention of stability. So the stability element is another political, I think it's a political element being conveyed to the public. I think also important is the couple of times where the president mentions that whatever been the challenges, the government has tried to deliver without biases. That if there have been 212 the crores of vaccines which have been delivered to the public in a speech, and mixing it with growth and infrastructure element that the government has pushed.
That's right. Rahul, thank you for the moment for joining us.